Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to go over 4.4 Challenge 2 assignment. Make sure you download the data. It's going to be Challenge 2 Survey tab. Let's begin. Common Grounds is a coffee company that's interested in expanding its business to Boston, Massachusetts, which has a large college population. Common Grounds surveyed different people in Boston about their coffee drinking habits. The purpose of the survey was to estimate coffee drinking trends over the next 5 years and then determine whether or not to expand the business to Boston. Whenever we're thinking about trends, we're probably thinking about a line chart. Okay, so we've got the data here. Click on the survey tab. Let's complete the worksheet and format the data as follows. Let's begin. Step A, 3A, merge and center row 1. Merge and center row 1. Apply headings to row 1, then row 2 also. And then apply a heading style to rows 1 and 2 as you prefer. I'll just do heading 1, and then cell styles, heading 2. Okay. We're going to type this survey data, okay? Put that in there. Find the totals in row 9. Here, I'm gonna use a formula. You can use auto sum if you want. Sum here, enter. Just drag that across. Let's get rid of that fill. Apply shading to the cells and use font colors that best represent the data. And we could do we'll get fancy here. Okay, great. Looks like we're gonna just make this comma number format. We could go ahead and change some of this formatting too. Here, survey data, and that font, go back white font. And then here, we'll just make that a different color. Let's stick with gray. Okay. Change this all to, I don't need decimals, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. There's all zeros anyway, so we don't need that. All right. Create a line chart showing the yearly trend of each type of coffee drinker. Okay. That means we're going to have a line trend. So let's see if we grab all this. Insert line. This looks like okay. And we could do quick layout. Let's see. Don't need all of that, I don't think. Probably like that one. We're gonna go ahead and make that larger. A chart title. Common Grounds survey results. Okay. Axis title. Say number of coffee drinkers. And then we'll need some data for below as well. So we'll go ahead and add a axis title, horizontal. Year. Hold that. Okay. Legend to the right, appropriate title, labels correct. Okay, this is done. Okay, next. 5, create a clustered column chart showing total coffee drinkers by demographic, potential customers. Use any column type with a cluster. Okay, so let's see if we grab all this again. Insert in a clustered column chart. Clustered one like this, okay? Let's take a look if we could have a quick layout. Yeah, I like this one. Again, I like that layout one. I like when the legend's on the right. Common Grounds. we're going to say survey results, right? The total coffee drinkers by demographic. By demographic. Okay. Let's add, go back to format or design, add axis titles, and horizontal, we'll just say the year. Okay. Add axis title, primary vertical, number of coffee drinkers. Okay, great. Use appropriate title, include X and Y axis, position the legend as you prefer, include appropriate data labels. I'm okay with this. Oftentimes you might want to look to see, should we add like data labels to this? But then it gets too much, right? See, look at that, it's too much. So I'm gonna take that away. Okay, this is done. Okay, step 6, analyze the charts and answer the following questions on the worksheet. Okay, so we're done with creating the charts. You're gonna go ahead and answer these questions. What are the coffee drinking trends for each customer group? Go ahead and answer that right here. Based on your analysis of the charts, do you think Common Grounds should expand their business to Boston? Why or why not? And that's really why we're creating these charts, to see these trends and to see whether it's worthwhile to expand into this new city. And that's it, everyone. Save the file and upload that to Google Classroom. Thanks.